Okay, so we need to find the equation for this plane. The way that we do that is we need to find the equations for the xz trace and the yz trace, which are just linear functions. So the first one I'm going to find is this one here, that line there. So as a linear function, I'd say, okay, there's my b, it starts at -1, and to go from here to here is going to be my slope. So it went over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it went up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the equation for the x, z trace is z equals 5 over 5x minus 1, because it went over 5 and up 5, so over and under. It's in x, so that's why there's an x. And your b, your z-intercept, is -1, so there's a -1. Then you have to find, so we'll switch colors here, we'll go with green. Then you need to find your yz trace. Well, that's not very bright, is it? I'll use blue. Okay. Well, maybe I won't be a dummy and I'll use... There we go. Okay, so we're going to find here is our yz trace. So there, how did we get from here, our -1 again, to here? From here to here, we went over 1, 2, 3, and up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the equation will be z equals up 6 over 3 y, with -1 again being our z-intercept. So they're just linear functions. You're going to find the linear function for this line and the linear function to this line. And then you're going to put them together. Well, first of all, I guess though, 6 divided by 3 is 2. And here, 5 divided by 5 is 1. Okay, so now I'm going to put my traces together. I'm going to say z equals, I'll change this color again to black. My x is here. I don't know why it's not working. Sorry, hold on a second. So I've got 1x, because that's from here. 5 over 5x is 1x. Then plus 2y, because here's the 2y. And then -1 is the intercept for both, so -1. So my equation will be z equals x plus 2y minus 1. And I think in the book they want you to write it x, y, z equals to a number. So what I'm going to do to make that happen, I guess, is I'm going to take the z and put it on that side, and the -1 and put it on this side. So I'm just going to rearrange my equation. So I'm going to put the -1 on the other side of the equal sign, so it becomes +1, and then x plus 2y, and when I move the z, it becomes -z.